Hi guys, this is Gibson USA 2013 model Gibson Les Paul Standard Desert Burst Premium Quilt. Let's go see what it is in case. Wow! That is model Desert Burst Premium Quilt. This is fantastic premium quilt Desert Burst with 3 AAA and brown copper limited of 2014 years. Let's see the another side of guitar. That is full mahogany. So beauty. Look in the sea. I see what in this case. That is Gibson warranty. That is date where is buy guitar and music shop number 1 in Zagreb, Croatia. And here is another book of Gibson and Marshall tuner, key and Gibson gears. That is another build. And that is so many beautiful guitar, so many beautiful quilt, the mahogany, and I think the Gibson is number 1 for this quilt, Desert Burst Premium Quilt.